So I'm in Istanbul airport, can't find a hotel. Just did the experimental thing that Jordan Peterson did, medicated coma. And I can honestly say, I have never felt so clear-headed and so sober for 4 years, and I haven't been using consistently for 4 years. It's been very patchy. I've never felt this driven and this purpose before. I spent a good amount of that time, without sounding like a freak, with God. And talked about the shit I've done wrong. And I vowed to put it right. But mostly to accomplish what we're here to do.